So in the spring every year, we usually spend about 7 weeks going back and working on our foundation, making sure that our movement and our mobility are good. Okay, so when we do that, we usually will take a little bit of a break from the barbell and spend some extra time doing a lot of the basic stuff: push-ups, sit-ups, squats, single leg work, a lot of dumbbell work. So during that time, there are several goals that we want to have. First and foremost, we want to spend that time making sure that if you have any joint pain or any aches and pains, that we're getting rid of that. Okay, so that time is devoted to make sure that we're working on those things and getting rid of any aches and pains that you have. We also want to make sure that you are improving movement and that you're getting better in your mobility, because mobility is the key to being free from joint pain. Okay? So the way you move is the key to getting rid of any joint pain that you have. So it becomes preventative. So we view this 7-week period as preventative for the rest of the year, and making sure you have a good foundation, that we always get back to the basics and never get away from them, so that you stay healthy as you go throughout the whole year. So if you look at most good athletes, in baseball they have a spring training period. I know the athletes, let's say over here at Virginia Tech, they typically have about a 6 to 8 week period where they go through and they do the same thing. And the goal is to make sure that they have the basics down and also that they're keeping their athletes healthy. So we want to make sure that we do that same thing. The other big thing is it gives your body just a rest, a chance to recover and rejuvenate a little bit every year in the spring as we come back around. A lot of people worry that as we take a break from the barbell and the heavier lifts as much, that they're going to lose their strength and body composition and things like that. You might lose a tiny bit in the short term, but in the long run, over the course of the year, you're actually going to come out better for it, because you're going to get better at the basics and the fundamentals, which is going to be getting you further along in the long run.